SceneClean offers our full range of services in the city of Lino Lakes, services such as biohazard removal, death-related services, suicide, homicide, hoarding cleanup, tear gas removal. In the past year, we have helped several customers with the services that we offer in Lino Lakes. The process from start to finish could involve us doing both the mitigation piece and the restoration side of it. It really starts when the customer calls our office, and we'll go out and assess the situation. Depending on what type of service it is, we try and be out there within a couple hours. If not a couple hours, within 24 hours. And if the service is something that's possibly covered by insurance, we'll help the customer work through the process with their insurance company. The consequences for not hiring the correct professional are huge. I mean, there's a lot of companies out there that say they do biohazards, but really they do it on the side. You know, they might be a fire or water loss company, whereas biohazards is all SceneClean does. So it could leave the job not cleaned up properly and expose people to pathogens down the road. And the difference with hiring SceneClean is we are full-time. This is all we do. We have full-time staff that are covered under work comp. The company itself has all full certificates that are needed and fully insured. And our reputation in the industry for the state is really what sets us apart from our competition. We've been doing this a long time, and we have earned that reputation that we have.